There's an animal on our paper, the tiger. What's he doing? Lily, what's he doing?
Playing with baseball.
Very good. What is this thing here? What is this thing? Raise your hand if you know what this pole thingamajiggy is. Raise your hand if you know what this is. Joshua, what is this thing?
It's a thing that you sit your ball on and then you whack it with.
Does anybody know what it's called? Yes, you sit the baseball on it and then you whack it. You hit it. Joshua said you whack it. What is this thing called? Does anybody know? No? Mackenzie?
A baseball holder.
It has a name. Ben?
Base.
No, it's not a base.
There's that kind of ball that you guys play.
And it goes with our letter. Lydia, do you know what it's called? It is called a tee. Yes. This is a baseball tee. If you turn it upside down, it makes the letter T, doesn't it? It's a letter T upside down. It has the tall stick, but then the hat's at the bottom. It is a baseball tee, and you set the ball on top, and then you hit it. Let's look at the letters over here. Match the letters. Let's see what letters you have. What letters are in the top row? O. T. This is a fancy T. This is a fancy T. You'll see it in your books. What's the next one? Mason, what's this letter? A. Maddie, what's the last letter? Maddie, it's not your name. Maddie, what's the last letter? E. Match the top letters to the bottom letters. Please hold your pencil properly. Match the letters. When you have them matched, hold your pencil up. Match the letters. I'm watching. Some of you like to watch your other neighbor's paper. I'm going to watch you. Please don't look at your neighbor. Good job. Keep going. Nice job. Match the letters. Hold your pencil up when you're done. Okay. Very good. Very good. Keep going. Very good. Keep going. Which one does this match? Hold your pencil up when you're done. Which one does it match? The letters look kind of alike, don't they? Okay, don't color anything. What one does this go with? Match it? Yes, that's the one it matches. And what about this one? Put your hand on your paper, don't lay down. Okay. I think we did it. Very good. Find your blue T. Find your blue T. Let's trace our blue T. Mason, you weren't here yesterday, but we start on the red dot. Find your blue T. Mason, did you find it? Did everyone find the blue T? Put your pencil on the red dot and trace it. Let's do it. Tall stick, then big hat. Do it on your paper. Tall stick, big hat. Remember, we do a tall stick and then our hat is one big line. Mason, did you do it? Very good. Look at your little T. Let's do little T. Ready? Small stick, little arms. And our little arms is one line. You go straight across it. Did you do it? Did you do it? Very good. Look at house number 1. Let's do house number 1. Let's see if we can do this together. Here we go. Trace little T. Ready? Do it. Small stick, little arms. Are your little arms on the dotted line? Oh, that's not a question you answer out loud. That's a question that you ask yourself. I see some of my friends are not working through house number 1. Small stick, little arms. Are you working? When you have house 1 done, hold your pencil up. Please do not work ahead. There's something new on this and I want to show you when we get to it. Are you making 3 small T's in the last room? And then you hold your pencil up. When you have house 1 done, hold your pencil up. Mason, sir, you're not going to be going to recess. Put this hand on your paper. It holds your paper. Now look at this. Look at this. You have to stop at the pink line. Try it again. I see several of my friends are holding their pencil up. Good job. When you're done, hold your pencil up. I see some lovely T's. I see some very nice T's. Kindergarten, make sure that you are holding your pencil properly. Do not erase it. If you make it too tall, don't erase it. Try it again.
Or too long.
Where are the arms? Mason, sit in your chair. So you have to sit down when you're done. Sit in your chair. Now make your arms. You have to start here and go across. Start here and go across. This one is way too long. He should stop at the pink line. Make his arms on it. Hold, this hand holds the paper. This hand holds your paper. Make his arms. Okay. I think we're ready to go to house number 2. Look at house number 2. What is in house number 2? Big T. You'll not be able to have those if you're going to do that. Big T. Big T starts at the top, at the ceiling. Let's do house number 2. Go ahead. Tall stick, big hat. Make sure your big hat is on the blue line at the ceiling. Make sure it is on there. Tall stick. My stick was not good. I'm going to try that again. Maddie, are you working? Shh. A tall stick and a big hat. A tall stick and a big hat. We have to trace one again. Tall stick and a big hat. The last room. Should your hats on your T, should they touch? No. No, you have to spread them out so that they do not touch. Don't go back and erase it so that they don't touch. When you start your T, when you start your second T, move over enough. And then when you start the hat, leave a space so it doesn't touch the first one. Don't go back and erase between them, okay? Hold your pencil up when you did that. House number 3 has something new. House number 3 has something new. Do not do house number 3 yet. Hold your pencil up. Wonderful. I see some very good. Wonderful. Mackenzie, watch your fingers. Ma'am, you need to be way up here. Thank you. Mackenzie, watch your fingers. Show me how you're holding it. Okay. You need to put your thumb down here. They need to be down at the bottom of it. Okay? Good job. All right. House number 3. Everybody look at house number 3. We're just about there. Keep going. We have a couple friends finishing. Make sure you stop at the pink carpet. Lily. Oh, no, not number 3 should not be done yet. Because our new thing is on house number 3. Finish it, Mason. He needs his hat. Okay, look at house number 3. What do you see in house number 3?
2 dogs.
Well, there are 2 dots in every room, but what do we see?
A little T and
A little T and a little I. It is one of our blends, right? It is one of our blends. So, the first red dot, you're going to make a little T. The second little dot is for your letter I. Do the T and the I touch? No, there's a little bit of space between them. They should be close together, but they should not touch each other. They are going to, when letters are in a word, they should be close together but not touching. Let's do it. Let's write T. This is our blend. T, I, T, 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 T. Look how nice they are. Joshua, you should be working on this. Yes, tip. All right. Then you trace it. Mason, are you working, sir? Mason Wilson. Are you working? Then you need to get busy. Trace T and I, tip. Then write your own. Lily, are you working? When you have it done, raise your hand. You get to trace it and write it. Trace it and write it. In the last room, we are not going to make 3 letters. We are going to write the blend, and that wasn't very good. We are going to write tip. We're going to write it 2 times, just like this. T, I. That's 1 time. Then we're going to leave a little space and write T, I. Do you see how I left a lot of space between tip, but I left a big space in between them? That's what you should do. Okay?